channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. This video features a all green makeup look with a bit of glitz and glam here and there using the Profusion Spectrum palette. And I'm back with a holy grail, oldie but a goodie, the Shany Cosmetics palette. If you'd like to see the process as to how I created this makeup look and how I got the lines to look this crisp, please keep watching. I'm going to place concealer underneath my eyes. I'm going to mix the two of them. But first, for directly underneath my eyes and to make this part crisp, I'm going to use the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer in the shade Medium Honey. And I'm also going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser in the shade Golden. Behind camera, what I did was I decided to set underneath my eyes using this banana powder by Makeup Revolution, and it is in the shade Banana Deep. Now the next step is I'm going to apply glitter just like how it is on my left eye, except I'm going to do that to my right eye. The glitter I use is by Hyundai. This is how the package looks. This is their glitter liquid eyeliner. I'm going to put in the description box below as to where you can purchase it. There are 10 glitter liquid liners on here, and there are no names. For each of them, there are only numbers. So the number that I will be using for my eyes is number 6. And you're going to see in the next clip as to how I run my glitter liner, just like how it is on my left eye, but on my right eye. Again and tell you about my lashes. So my lashes for today is by Huda Beauty, and it is in the style Naomi, which is no longer available, but you can use whichever lashes you have in your makeup collection. I'm gonna pop on these bad boys and I'll be right back at you with the lips. For lip pencil, I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics in this shade Spice. And as for the lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D one, and this is in the shade Celebrutard, but which is no longer available. But another alternative is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and that is their matte lip color in the shade Nearly Nude, or you can use any matte nude lipstick that you have in your makeup collection and call it a day. thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That is all I have for now. Make sure you check out the next section with the previous video that's coming up next. I'll see you there. Bye!